Hello and welcome to our tutorial on utilizing ClickFunnels to host and sell your own digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. In this video, we will be showing you step by step how to set up and use ClickFunnels to host and sell your own digital products. Link in the description box below to get a free ClickFunnels account. First, let's talk about what ClickFunnels is and why it's the perfect platform for hosting and selling digital products. ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel builder that allows you to create high-converting landing pages, sales pages, and opt-in pages to grow your business. It also has built-in features that allow you to easily host and sell your own digital products without needing any additional tools or software. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the ClickFunnels dashboard where you can start building your first sales funnel. The first step is to choose a template for your sales funnel. ClickFunnels has a variety of templates to choose from, but for this tutorial, we will be using the digital product template. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be taken to the editor where you can customize your sales funnel. The first thing you'll want to do is add your digital product to the sales funnel. To do this, you'll need to go to the Products section of the editor and click Add New Product. From there, you can upload your digital product and set the price for it. Next, you'll want to create the landing page for your digital product. This is the page where potential customers will first learn about your product and decide whether or not to purchase it. To create your landing page, you'll need to go to the Pages section of the editor and click Add New Page. From there, you can choose a template for your landing page and customize it to match the look and feel of your brand. Once you've created your landing page, you'll want to create the sales page for your digital product. This is the page where potential customers will go to make a purchase. To create your sales page, you'll need to go to the Pages section of the editor and click Add New Page. From there, you can choose a template for your sales page and customize it to match the look and feel of your brand. After you've created your sales page, you'll want to create the thank you page for your digital product. This is the page where customers will be taken after they've made a purchase. To create your thank you page, you'll need to go to the Pages section of the editor and click Add New Page. From there, you can choose a template for your thank you page and customize it to match the look and feel of your brand. Now that you've created all of the pages for your sales funnel, you'll want to connect them all together so that customers can easily navigate through the process of learning about your product, making a purchase, and receiving their download. To do this, you'll need to go to the Funnels section of the editor and click Add New Funnel. From there, you can choose the pages that you want to include in your funnel and connect them together. Once you've connected all of the pages together, you'll want to set up your payment gateway. ClickFunnels has a variety of payment gateway options to choose from, but for this tutorial, we will be using Stripe. To set up Stripe, you'll need to go to the Settings section of the editor and click Integrations. From there, you can add Stripe as your payment gateway and connect it to your account. Once connected, you can start accepting payments for your digital products. Now that your sales funnel and payment gateway are set up, it's time to start promoting your digital product. One great way to do this is by using the built-in email marketing features of ClickFunnels. You can create email campaigns that promote your digital product to your email list and encourage them to make a purchase. To set up email marketing, you'll need to go to the Emails section of the editor and click Add New Email. From there, you can choose a template for your email campaign and customize it to match the look and feel of your brand. Another great way to promote your digital product is by using social media. You can create social media campaigns that promote your digital product and drive traffic to your sales funnel. To set up social media campaigns, you'll need to go to the Social Media section of the editor and click Add New Campaign. From there, you can choose the social media platforms that you want to use and create campaigns that promote your digital product. Lastly, you can use paid advertising to promote your digital product. ClickFunnels has a built-in feature that allows you to create and run paid advertising campaigns to drive traffic to your sales funnel. To set up paid advertising, you'll need to go to the Ads section of the editor and click Add New Ad. From there, you can choose the platforms that you want to use and create campaigns that promote your digital product. In conclusion, utilizing ClickFunnels to host and sell your own digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software is a great way to grow your business. With its easy-to-use interface and built-in features, you can easily set up a sales funnel, host and sell your digital products, and promote them to your audience. With a little bit of effort, you can start making sales and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on how to grow your business.